risotto di cioccolato e gelato fatto di Romulo. Sorry, that was for the fun. It's champorado with ice cream and chocolate sauce. Here in Romulo's Kitchen and Garden, where learning is fun. Hello! Guess what we're having today? By the way, welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. We'll be making a twist of champorado today. It's chocolate porridge, but to shorten the process, I already prepared it and it's been frozen. So we just need to microwave it first. Yeah? You might say it's irresponsible freezing porridge, but it's healthy. It's good because freezing allows the chocolate flavor to penetrate the rice fully. It also softens the rice. You may say it's simple, but let's serve it grand. Stay with me, let's serve it grand. There are surprises to the finishing. It's not enough to just microwave it. That's why we'll finish it by boiling it. This is not part of the recipe. Okay, let's just prepare that. And we need two colorful, not very colorful, but this, we need this. Stay there while the microwave does its job. I'm smelling chocolate. I think we can resume or continue with the classic way of heating it. The microwave did its job, but let's add some water and resume boiling it here. It's just to restore its porridgey texture. I think we're ready. Let's give it a close-up. It's ready. Flame off, and it's time to plate. Yeah. Stay there. As I've said earlier, this is a humble dessert. That's why let's serve it grand. Let's give it an overload of flavors. Chocolate overload. Overload one. Or load one. Let's top it with chocolate cream ice cream. Look at that. Cream with chocolate. How about that? Yeah. And chocolate sauce. Chocolate overload. Another. I hope this is finer. Oh yeah. Look at that. Serving our risotto con cioccolato e gelato fatto di Romulo. Here in Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. Let's say that again. That was a mouthful. Risotto con gelato.
Champorado.
What is syrup? Yeah, it's just 3 chocolates. Porridge with 3 chocolates. Porridge champorado with chocolate overload. Risotto di cioccolato e gelato fatto di Romulo. And let the chocolate milk and cream the top. Lord, life is beautiful. La vita is bella. And for our cameraman today.
Thank you.